Okay, and then now we're going to unbox the PSA Plus One. Before we do the unboxing of the PSA Plus One, we need to know where we're coming from so we know where we're heading, okay? So we used to use the Maono AM, which is pretty good, but it's pretty light. This was a mess up over here because this got off and then I can no longer use this. So I used to hold my mic like this, which made me look like a pastor. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Okay, now this, the only problem I have with this is that it's too light, that's one. And then two, these things over here feel like a guitar, you can even make a song out of it. Off with that shit. Yeah. Oh, sorry. PSA Plus One. Jeez, this thing feels good. Okay, so like I said, we don't have knives to cut off, so we'll just do it the canyon way, and then we slide this off. Another box to get rid of. Box within a box. Oh, sorry. There you go. PSA Plus One. I think this is the most recent one. Looks pretty good. It's heavy. It's actually costed me an arm and a leg to get this shipped to me. But I think I'll use it until death do us apart. Okay, cool. Let's see what's inside. Carton. Aha! Now this thing is the stuff you put on your desk and then close it, and then you can, dip your mic in it. Made of aluminum. Feels pretty good. It's heavy slightly. I think this is built to last forever. Okay. Box. Carton. Carton. Oh, oops, sorry. Okay. So now this, I think this is the stuff that you put on your desk and then you tighten it up and then you put your mic over here and then you can, use it as you wish. Pretty nice. Now, drum rolls for Monsieur Le Herme. Carton. This is the guy. Oh, jeez. Feels like heaven. Knock, knock, knocking on heavens. Knock, knock, knocking on heaven's door. Whoa. Wow. 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 Thicker than the other one. Wow! Aluminum! Aluminum? That's French. Wow. Man, it looks really good. Let me smell it. The smell of the brotherhood. Look at that. So, on our next video, I'll set it up in my desk and then I'll let you guys see how that looks like. So yeah.